In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this selfie stick from the company Viozon. And what this is, this has wireless control. It's a 12 centimeter length right there. So it's a very tiny little item right here. It's got 360-degree rotation, but it can extend out to 72 centimeters. I'll let you guys do the inches on that. Let's just go ahead and take it out of the package here. We got a little bit of instructions down here. There's not much to this thing. It looks like all you do is, okay, you pull that, the insulated batteries. Oh, there's a little battery. Check that out. So the battery is just now engaged. Can we see the battery? I got to see this battery, everybody. I got to look at it. That is a tiny little battery. It looks to be like one of those little tiny kind of watch style batteries. So that, you could get that pretty easily if your battery ran out. Looking over it here, wow, that just folds. It's very premium. It's got a gnarl grip right there on it. So it's got a good solid hand grip on it. And it can fit from 4-inch to 7-inch phones. Wow, look at that. That's probably, yeah, I would say that's about 72 centimeters. And in imperial units, let's just say it's 2.5 feet. How about that? Pretty good movement right there. Nice, good sound to it. And it looks like you're going to have to program the shutter button right there. Let me see how to, actually, that's probably a Bluetooth. I bet you hold it down for it. There it is. Now what it's doing, it's searching. Let me turn on my Bluetooth and see if I can find this shutter button real quick. Okay, everybody, all you do to link this thing up is you hold this button down for a few seconds. It starts blinking blue, and it just linked right up. That was very easy. It came up in my Bluetooth as Selfie i6. And then let me show you how a phone goes in here. You fold these two little arms out right there. I've got the iPhone 13, and we'll do it in vertical mode first. So let's say I want to film like a TikTok or a reel or something. What I would do, I would go there, go to video, stop it, go to video. Now you guys watch this. I'll go short so you can see what I'm doing. So I have the actual trigger right there. Now watch, I'm not touching anything on the phone. That thing just started recording. Let me do that again for you. Get up close. See that? Now I'm filming in vertical video, so that'd be great for TikToks or something like that. And then if you want, you could turn it and face yourself there. You can see right there. I can film selfie modes. So now it's in good old selfie mode. So you know what? All of y'all that likes to look at yourself all day long on the internet, this would be a great item for you right there. Turn it back to normal. Now this is what's cool. Look how quickly I can go to horizontal. Now this is what I use mostly because a lot of my videos are filmed in horizontal mode. So if I was doing, say, like product reviews, or I was like walking and I was wanting to premiere something, I like the fact that I can extend this out and then hold it, start filming. I can film and walk like this, and then show exactly what I'm filming and pull it off. And then if I want to go to that, you can't do that from the button. If I want to take pictures, you could do picture mode. Watch this. Holding it all the way out like that, check that out. That works great. Everybody, I don't see any issues at all. I think this is a great item for anyone that's just wanting to film content, whether it's for social media or even seriously just like a random kind of vlogging or something like that, because you could just look how nice and compact that thing is. That is seriously small enough to go to my entire hand. So you'd put it down inside of a purse or even like in a back pocket or a fanny pack or something like that, and it kind of locks into place. I see right there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Viozon ergonomics, selfie stick with remote selfie stick. See y'all in the next video.